Hi guys, Lens here. If you have Samsung Galaxy S24, I am going to show you exactly how you can fix the black screen issue. As you can see, this phone is relatively still in a very good condition, and it has a slight black screen where we're hearing song, it's vibrating, but we are not seeing anything. So if you have a phone and it's like that, the method is the same for all the other Samsung Galaxy phones basically. This method you can try is the volume down and the power button. You want to hold them together until the phone restarts. When it restarts, you will see the logo and everything, and it will come on. If it doesn't happen the first time around, then you want to keep trying. Also, if you're doing it and you're not getting the phone to come on, then you want to do so using the cable, right? So you plug in the cable. You can plug it into your laptop or your computer. You're gonna hold the volume down on the power button once more, and when you see the screen go blank, you want to just release the button. Soon as you see the screen lights up, and you should see that your screen is showing. So that's how you can fix the black screen issue with your Samsung Galaxy phone. If your phone has just updated or anything like that and you have a black screen, that's how you can fix it, guys. Also, if none of those methods work, you want to try using your power cable this time. You want to plug your power cable into your outlet, and you want to plug it into your phone, and you want to hold all the buttons together, right? So you hold all the buttons together, and you will cause the phone to force restart also. So just keep holding all the buttons, it will force restart as well. And if for some reason you're not seeing on the screen, well guys, I am afraid that you may have an internal problem with your LCD screen, and probably it can be that your screen gone bad. But definitely this is a black screen fix for your Samsung Galaxy S24, and I hope that this was helpful, guys. And if you're new to my channel, go right ahead, like, share and subscribe. If none of these methods help you, you can let me know in the comment section, and I'll see how I can help you guys out. Guys, my name is Lens, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.